Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the additional of today's newspaper of a Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, May the 29th, 2021. We have here seven puzzles and Sudokus. The first one, letter Sudoku. Second one, Sudoku with 2 stars. Third one, a 3 stars Sudoku. Fourth one, Sudoku with 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars. A tectonic with 1 star. And one binary a puzzle. So, total of 7 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. Today I will do 4 of them. The 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. Tomorrow on Sunday, the rest of the puzzle page. But the first one, the 3 star Sudoku, will be number 2864. 2864. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I've already counted 25. 3 star Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about... Yeah. The 3. We see here 3 in this column, the 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then, how about... Yeah. 4 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the last row. So no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. Look, we have a 6 here and there 6. So no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 5. That means 1 box left in the last row for the number 8. Alright. Alright, so we have a pair, 1 and 8 in this column, 1 and 8 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 1 and 8 goes to these two boxes. Alright. And then 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes in this column. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 and 6. Okay. Right. 9. How about the 6 in the first row? The 6 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there's 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And now we have a 6 here, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Then, do I have all the 6s? Yeah, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 5. 3, 5, 7. Okay. 9, 9. We have a 2 in the last column, a 2 in the column next, so in that column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 2, 9, 9, 9. Okay. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 5. Can I fill this yet? No, I need to wait. 4, 5, 3. Okay. 4, 4. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So this 8 cannot be here. I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. We have a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means one digit left in this row for the number 7. Here also 4 and a 5. The 9. Yes, the 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright, now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. This box should be a 5. Alright, one box left in this last column for the number 4. Okay. One box left in this big square for the number 5. Okay. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4 in this big square. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 4 again. Okay. Two numbers left in this second column for the numbers 8 and 7. Yeah, 8 and 7. 8 and 7 are missing in the second column. How about those two boxes in the first column? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a pair. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. So we have a pair. So all those other numbers cannot be contains the 4 and the 5 then. Alright, so the 2 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 1 is missing here. Alright. One number left in the middle column. 8 and 1 we have here, so this should be the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 place for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me wait. Okay, 7 and a 5. How about here? Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 7, 5. Okay, that means in the first row, look, we have a 4 here, double 4 here. That means in the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. Well, here we have a 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. There 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright, 4. One box left in the first column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. One box left in this column for the number 5. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay, two boxes left, the 7 and the 5. In this column, 7 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, one number left in this big square for the number 7. Then two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. 1 box left in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 7 and 8. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great. Sudoku, 3 stars? No, whether a 2 stars or 1 star. Because for 1 star, I need faster than 15 minutes. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I've managed to solve this in 40 minutes, and I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later for the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.